guys, OrigamiBrad back in the house. Today we are going to be making origami sunglasses. Even though it's not summer, it's winter. I think you still need sunglasses in the winter, but you can't really see through these sunglasses. So let's get into this. This is how you make origami sunglasses, and so yeah, let's just have a nice day.